Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just chilling at my house. I'm literally so bored at my house right now. I don't know what to do. I'm basically last time. If y'all didn't watch last video, I basically got robbed when I was working at the bank. So I thought, why would I have not been a construction worker? I would make houses, and I would fix the roads, and it would be kind of fun. So I was thinking about that, and when I was sleeping, I literally applied, and they said meet me at 10 a.m. today. That means it's in one more hour. So, you know what that means? We gotta get dressed up because we don't have any time to waste. I can't be late, but I know I'm gonna be late. So I'll see you guys in my construction shirt. Alright, hopefully this is pretty good. And now we gotta go in my, oh my god, y'all didn't see that. Now we gotta go in my car because it's literally 10 a.m. right now. Go, 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 go. I don't have any time to wait. Oh wait, where was the place? Let's wait. Okay, oh, I keep forgetting. What's it again? Okay, it's at, what is it called? Oh, this place, Burger Barn. I keep forgetting the name of it. We're here, we're gonna park right here. There we go. So where's the person? Hello? Oh, hi sir. You're Yesin? Yes, nice to meet you. I'm Yesin, what's your name? Oh, I'm Johnny. I'm gonna be your boss. You applied, right? Yeah, I applied. So what is my first task? And how much do I get paid for that task? First things, you have to fix a giant hole in the road. Good luck. It's near the grocery shop. Peace. Alright guys, I guess we're gonna go now. Wait. Don't forget the little construction car I put out there for you. Okay. Yo, this looks fire. Oh my god. Yo, how do I get on this? There we go. No, that's cool. Now that's cool. Wait, what does this button do? Oh my god, I can literally, okay. We don't need that. We need that. Oh. Is that literally the giant hole at the... Oh my god, that's so giant. Oh my god. Oh my god. We gotta fix this right now. Ma'am, could you please, stay back? Thank you. First thing first, we need to put some, cones and stuff. Oh my god, stop, sir. Okay, we got him out. First things first, we need some cones right now and stuff like that. We're gonna put some cones, we're gonna put some of that, we're gonna put some of this, and we're gonna do right here. Road closed, and we're gonna do the same on this side. Road closed. Road closed and some cones. That is perfection. Now all we have to do is just dig up this hole. We got this, right guys? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I feel it. Oh my, sir. Oh my god, this bus. Oh my god, I don't think they pay attention, guys. They need to pay attention more. They need to go around or something. Sir, get. Oh my God. Wait, he's actually kind of help. Thank you, sir, for helping. Wait, that's actually kind of helping. Oh my God, thank you, sir. I just gotta do some more. All right, and maybe last one. Oh my God, wait, it actually happened. Oh wait, we are actually good. Now I just gotta put all these away. That's gonna take a while. Just gotta put. Oh my God, what just happened? All right, everything's back in together. What do I get? Oh my God, I think the next task is on my phone. Wait, I don't have anything more to do. That's actually kind of perfect. That's actually kind of perfect. Wait, it says I just got $75. Oh my God, wait, that's actually kind of a lot for a construction worker. I thought I was gonna be like paid for like $1. But guys, this is actually kind of better because there's like no way of getting robbed in this. Oh yeah, I love this. And I love the sound of the engine too, oh my God. And I think I'm just gonna go back home and put this car in my garage. I don't know if it can fit, but hey, we can fit it. All right, we're almost there, come on. And we are here. Wait, this ain't my place? Wait, where's my place? Hold on, wait a minute. Oh wait, this isn't my house. Oh gosh. Wait, we're not here. Wait, where is my house? Ow. Ow. Let's see over here. Let's see, is this my house? No, wait, where is my house, guys? I'll be right back when I find it. Okay, I found it. Oh, wait, I don't think this fits in my garage. Wait, watch this trick, guys. Watch this trick. Go, 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 go. Oh my God, wait. Okay, no, it can't fit, bro. Look, I'm literally going forward. Just go, come on. I'm just gonna park it out front right now and close the garage. Today's been a long day. It's been from the morning and now it's night. Oh my God, bro, you can't even tell the difference. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.